welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca, and if this is your first time watching, here on my Only Fresh, I try to post videos with healthy recipes and tips just to make it easier to live a healthier lifestyle. I have been MIA for a little while, haven't posted any videos. Life kind of gets hectic sometimes, you know how that goes. But we're here, we're back, I'm ready, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 really easy, healthy, vegan recipes for on the go when you're busy like I am. I'm sure we're all busy, we all have things to do. This is going to make it a lot easier whether you can eat breakfast at home or take it on the go. So let's just go into the video. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna make is something that I'm sure you have heard of before a million times. Oats overnight. Overnight oats, basically oats, milk, fruit, and a night, and that's it. But I'm gonna show you 2 of my favorites. I'm gonna make one with mangoes and then another one with apple cinnamon. Okay. So yes, I said I try to post every Tuesday, and I really meant try, but I will try harder, I promise. I do like making these videos, they're fun for me. All right, so I have half a cup here. I'm going to put 1 cup of dry oats. Oat, yeah. Nobody swallow that. Okay. How you doing? How's everybody doing out there? I know that I'm good. I'm good now. Glad to be done with the retrograde. Bye-bye. No, it just really kind of throws me off. And I'm making a mess. That's okay. It's good. But yeah, the retrograde or whatever has been going on lately starts to make me feel kind of overwhelmed and anxious. And I think anxiety is a normal, natural emotion, feeling to go through, you know? So sometimes it's really important just to take time for yourself. If you need that time, if you got to step away from things, by all means, I highly, highly encourage that. Okay, so I have my oats here, and I had everything all pretty, look, cut, ready to go. Forgot the milk. Okay, I got the milk. All right, so I'm gonna start with half a cup and just see how full that gets. Cool, so a cup of milk. There we go. I'm sure everyone has either heard of these or made them. And you know what? It's a really good way to get a healthy breakfast in. Okay. I've also seen some recipes with yogurt, but that makes the oatmeal kind of too heavy, in my opinion. I get full too fast. So what I've been doing, or what I will do, is I'll eat the oatmeal for breakfast and then maybe about 2 or 3 hours later have yogurt with some fruit. Okay, so get a napkin. All right. So I think in this one, I'll do the apple cinnamon. So I have the oats, milk, and I have diced apples. I promise I will share the recipes with you down below. Okay, there's the apples. And to this, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Easy, right? It's really easy. And these little mason jars, I think I got them at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. They have a lot of good glass there. All right, there we go. Another good thing to add in here would be like some dried cranberries, maybe some pecans, walnuts, something like that. A little crunch. You can also throw in some granola in the morning to give it that crunch as well. Okay, the next one, my favorite fruit. Well, actually both of these are my favorite fruits, mangoes and avocados, but that's for later. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to add mangoes and vanilla. Yeah. I decided to add the vanilla just to give it a little creamy taste. I love the way it tastes with vanilla. Okay. All right, so I didn't put too much, just a little bit. Pull this one up. Put it in the fridge, let it sit, easy, done. Breakfast for tomorrow and the next day, unless I forget. Next up, we have avocado toast. Come on down. I've already pre-toasted my bread. I'm only making one. If I was making this for breakfast, I'd probably have 2 pieces of toast. But for the sake of this video, I don't know what I would do with all of this extra food, so we're making one. I already have some avocado here that I just scooped out. And I'm just gonna mash it in here. So this is half of an avocado that I had left in the fridge. That's why it's brown, but brown avocados' lives matter, so we're using them. This one was just for the picture. I'll eat it later in the week. I love avocados. Okay. So I've just mashed it nice there. I'll put it on top and try to make it look pretty. Okay. All right, and oops, before I put the avocado, I usually put a spread of butter just to give it like a nice warm salty taste. This is the Smart Balance butter that I use. It's a plant-based butter. Yeah. Okay, so have the butter and the avocado on the toast. All right, and I'm gonna put some cherry tomatoes on top. Which way do I want them? I feel like avocado toast is like such an experience with making it. Okay, maybe I'm just weird like that. All right, here's the kicker, guys. Everything bagel seasoning. This game changer, okay? Shout out to my friends who told me about this. Okay, so butter, avocado, tomato, everything. And I'm going to add, let's see, who do I have here? Let's do some hemp seeds. Yeah. Throw some hemp on it. Just kidding. Yes. One more shake. Okay. All right, and there we have it. Avocado toast. The last easy, healthy breakfast idea that I have for you is probably the laziest one. We have a rice cake. This one is the apple cinnamon rice cake. And I did look through the ingredients. I didn't see any animal products, but I also have this app called Vegan Pocket, and you can scan a barcode at the grocery store or wherever, and you can see if the food is truly vegan or not. So pretty cool, helpful. All right, so I have my rice cake, and I'm going to be putting peanut butter on there. This is a crunchy peanut butter. I'm one of those, I'm a crunchy girl. Crunchy girl. I don't know what happens to me when I do these videos, but here it is. Okay. There's the peanut butter. Way up, way up. Okay. Goodbye, Mr. Jip. Okay, peanut butter. I have some straws here. Stick it there. Okay. And on this, I'm only gonna add flax seeds because I have them. They're an added omega-3. Add it. Little bit more. Okay. So just a little side note here. Flax seeds I use similar to the way that I would use chia seeds. I put them on top of oatmeal, peanut butter like this. And the hemp seeds, they have a little saltier taste, so that's why I use them for the avocado toast. Both are a very good addition to your diet. You should be eating seeds, beans, tomatoes, just kidding, all of that. You should definitely incorporate grains and seeds into your diet. So I have the overnight oats, mango and strawberry cinnamon, avocado toast with tomato and everything bagel seasoning and hemp seeds, and the rice cake with crunchy peanut butter, strawberries, and flax. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do try to post a video every week, every Tuesday. I promise I will try a little bit harder. I really enjoy making these videos. I also do have a day job, so I want to still enjoy doing these videos. I want to have fun. I want to give you guys good content and reliable information. So I'm done. You can go enjoy your day. Eat your healthy breakfast, have a healthy lunch. Maybe have a healthy dinner, maybe not. But I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Remember to love each other, share some words of encouragement with other people. It really goes a long way. Bye guys.